How to add an HTML code on your Wix website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add an HTML code on your Wix website within seconds. So let's get started. First, open up your Wix website where you want to add the code. You will open up your Wix editor. Now, this is my Wix editor right here, and I want to add an HTML. So it's really easy. You will click on this add option given here in the menu, and in add to site you will get different options, and in here we have embed code option given right here. After context and form we have embed code. So in here we can embed any kind of code, but the first option is embed an HTML. So all you need to do is click this one and it will be added on your website. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop it right here so that you can see. Now we need to click on enter code. So here we will be able to enter any kind of code. So keep in mind your code can only be HTTPS or HTML. So what you need to do is you can also go with a website address if you want, or you can go with a code. So I'm going to go with a website address and paste the address that I just copied. All you need to do is just go to your page or any website you want to add the HTML for, copy the code or copy the website address and click on apply here. So once you do that, then you're good to go and your code will be added right here to your Wix website. Click on apply and it will be shown here. People can click on it and get to the website you wanted them to be. So just click on enter code, and you can also go with the code as well, and just click on apply and your HTML code or your link will be added on your Wix website. So yeah guys, I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.